Pickles, and I'm back for another video. If you didn't see my last two videos, I was at Wendy's trying the Wednesday meal. It's okay, but yeah, watch the new Wednesday season. I haven't seen it yet, but I probably will. And then if you didn't see my other video, I was trying the Sabrina Carpenter Daydream Refresher Strawberry and Dragon Fruit, I think, yeah. But before I show you what I'm doing today, it's another toy video. Yes, I don't really do toy videos. I more do like videos like trying food, but I just get like toys that are like really cool. But so I'm gonna show you what I bought the last couple of weeks, months that I haven't showed you because I was too excited to open. So let's do this. So everyone knows that I got this Labubu, but I got this one. It's the Big Inter Energy. It's Hope. Pretty cute. I like it. And then I'm gonna get a Coca-Cola one and then one of the sitting ones. And then I've never unboxed this, but I got these Sony Angels. I'm gonna unbox on YouTube. In a couple of days once I get another one, and I'm gonna unbox Mrbeast too. But here's what I have of the buffalo and a little warthog, which is pretty cool. So I did this exact video with Mrbig months ago, but they came out with a new series, so I got it. The Mrbeast Lab Toys, but they have the Atomic series, so I couldn't decide what to buy, so I bought both of these. So this one comes with includes an ultra rare or special edition, which is up here. Then it comes with two, and then it comes with two in here, and then two. So in all, I have 7 of them, and I could win this. It's will you find limited edition silver mystery case, only 1,000 in the Atomic series, and yeah, it's pretty cool. So it shows you what 2 you got here, and then it gets like an ultra rare one, which is pretty nice. So on the back it says, "Get ready for the swarm. You won't believe what's going on down in Mrbeast lab. Our team has gone next level to create the ultimate Microbeast. We're talking extreme bioengineering, cutting-edge science to create a fearsome fusion of primal predators. Be warned, the swarms are powered up micro-sized beasts that are ready to run wild. Check out the Mrbeast lab swarm back." So this is the Atomic one. That's Mrbeast right there. And yeah, I'm gonna do this one first. Actually, let me do this one first. So yeah, I'm in the bathroom right now doing it because I really don't want to get it everywhere. Actually, I'm gonna go get scissors real quick. Okay guys, back to scissors. And if I didn't tell you, I probably did. I'm doing this in the bathroom so it doesn't spill everywhere. Oh my gosh, I forgot how to open these. I'm glad that I came with like an ultra rare in this one, or like limited secret edition or whatever, because I would have had to been trying to find that opening up so many of these. The only reason I bought both, I think I already told you, is because I didn't know which one to get. And I was like, I want one of these, but I also want the pack thing. So I was just like, whatever, I'm gonna get both. Yes, guys, if you're new to the channel, I don't do more toy boxings. I told you guys, I only get toys that are like super cool or toys that I haven't tried yet, like the Mrbeast toys and everything. Oh my gosh, I'm having trouble opening this. But yeah, if you see my videos, I actually don't do normally toys. I normally do like food and dares and stuff, and I'm gonna start doing gaming videos soon. It's just I haven't started yet because my gaming setup is like getting here soon. So, and my birthday's coming up, so I'm gonna ask for it for my birthday, but I know exactly the one I want, so I'm gonna be doing like Roblox and some gaming videos, but not yet. Oh my gosh, this plastic is gonna be the death of me if I don't actually like get this away. I don't know how to open this, I forgot. Not half of the video, just me trying to open it. Okay, I feel like I could get it right here. I just stabbed myself. Okay, do this with a parent around because I clearly don't know what I'm doing, but if you're opening these, then, you know. I didn't open up the bottom. Okay. Finally. Yes, I did it. I guess, okay, let me read. Actually, it says open here. Probably should open it. Oh, it shows me all that I can get. So you have the Home Horrors, Techno Terrors, Lab Brats, Creepy Critters, Primal Pack, Soil Smashers, Neon Nightmares. I kind of want that one. Toxic Troopers, Special Edition Beast ones. Oh, there's like a Feastable one. That's pretty cool. Oh, and they have some on the back too. Oh, and some of them glow in the dark if I get that one. So there's 85 to collect. Oh my gosh, I did it. So you have to put water in it. So I already know how to do this, but you have to put like water in it and you have to mix and shake it. So I just have to remember. I can't even remember how to do this. Yeah, mix and then shake. So I'm gonna put some water in here. Oh, I did it wrong. I put water on top of here that says read me first. Here's where the water's supposed to go. So let me put some on. Oh. Guys. It has been a while since I've done this. So I physically forgot how to open it. Now it should work. Oh yeah, it's definitely working now. Oh yeah, guys. Here, I'm just gonna pan over here so you can like kind of see it. Oh, it's fizzing up. Ew, oh, it's like orange. That's cool. No way. Wait, hold up. I think I got one of the glow-in-the-dark ones. Okay, so look, I got this guy, which, let me see what this guy is. That guy is the, where is he? What does he look like? Like a mailbox, I'm guessing. Wait, what is this guy? Okay, he looks like a mailbox. Oh, he's the manic mailbox. So he's in the home horrors. But look at this guy. This guy. Look on the back. It says glow in the dark. Did I get the glow in the dark one? 10 seconds. Is that like a rare one? You see right there? It says glow in the dark. Okay, I think I got a rare one, guys. Okay, that's crazy. Because last time I think Mr. Big got the rare one. Okay, now let's move on to the swarm. So I already know like 3 things that I got from this. Okay, look. So here's the rare, which I'm super excited that it actually comes with like a real rare. So it's the, where did it go? Ultra rare or like special edition, whatever. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. So technically I didn't like get it from it. Oh my gosh, my sink. This is what came from the package. Okay, that's crazy. So I like these. I like this guy. I think Mr. Big got that last time. So I'm gonna follow them over here. And then it shows you 2 that I got right here, and then I have to use the explosion thing again. Okay, let's see the other 2 that I got. So I got this one. He looks like a shark submarine guy. And then I got like a stop sign. Oh. They're both the Atonic series, so they're probably in the back. Okay, let's see, the stop sign. Okay, he's the raging stop sign next to he's with the mutant mailbox in the home horrors. But let's see, where's the submarine guy? I wish I could get like one of the Feastival ones. Okay, which one is this guy? I'm so confused. Where is this guy at? Okay, guys, please wait for me for trying to. I think I got the Atonic Panther. Okay, wait, that's actually like really, really cool. Okay, guys, why is it taking me so long to find? Oh, I found him. He's the Subsinker in the Toxic Troopers. Okay, that's actually pretty cool. I really like him. He looks pretty cool. And this guy's like the raging stop sign. Okay, now let's do this, and then we'll be done. So let's open them up. It's pretty cool that it comes with like 5 Mrbeast, and then I get one in there. So it's 7 in all. Which I think it's pretty smart of Mrbeast to do like 2 in 1. So you're not like wasting your money. Well, not wasting, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, this is the same thing that I just opened up. I don't really care if I rips it. Okay, so I know actually what to do here. Because last time. Okay, and then I'm just going to get, where did this go? Okay. Let's do this. I wish I could like show you guys it exploding, but it's gonna, actually, why not? Let's show you. So I'm gonna pan it over my sink right here. Okay, and then we're gonna show you it opening. Okay, so you're gonna put it in here, you're gonna fill this whole thing up with water, and then we're gonna start shaking. And then it should start fizzing like that, and then you should be able to like dump it out like that. And it's like oozing, you know? Okay, so you go like this. Ooh, okay, that's all in my fingers. And then I should grab my 2 guys in here. It's all over my fingers. Come on, get out of there. So I kind of got like a matching one with Mr. Big from like the last one I opened. Oh, they finally got out. I don't know what these ones are, but they look really cool. Okay, now I just have like pure orange in my sink, which is fine. Okay, now let's bring you back over here, and let's see what we got. So, here, let me wash them off, because they're like really dirty. Okay, so we got this like sloth one, and this one. I literally have like a whole collection of these now. If he comes out with another series, I'm probably going to do this again. Okay, let's see which one I got. So, you are probably going to be in... Okay, he's the Goblin Goggles in the Lab Brats. So, I officially have the Home Horrors, the Lab Brats one. I have one in the Toxic Troopers, and... Oh, and I have one in the Neon Nightmares. I have the Stealth Sloth. So, I have one in the Home Horrors, Lab Brats, the Neon Nightmares, Toxic Troopers, and I wish I could get the special edition. One day I should just like get a lot to get the special edition. Okay, so these are all pretty cool. These are all that I got, guys. I wouldn't like say, I'm pretty sure this is like $9. I would get this if I were you because you could get literally this and like a lot of them. My favorite is probably this one. Wait, hold up. This guy... Wait, I think I got one of the special editions. Okay, so this one's in the special edition. It's called the Golden Fang. It's obviously in there because it came with it. It's right there. But next to it looks exactly like this guy. No way. I think I got 2 special editions. So this one I already knew. But I'm pretty sure this is another special edition because it comes with like gold on there. Okay, that's crazy, guys. Get your... Mrbeast Lab Swarms, they're actually pretty cool and fun interactive stuff to do. And yeah, you can start a whole collection. Bye, like, and subscribe.